Lah, kinsa na? Hello again YouTube, Ronald here for another drawing video this week. By the way, the photo that you saw on the intro is my latest Instagram post, which was done on Photoshop. A quick digital sketch I did earlier, but I don't want to confuse you. It's not the one that I'll be drawing on this video. Some of you may know Adventure Time will be airing its final episode, so I decided to pay tribute to the cartoon series. I can't say that I have seen all the season episodes, but I have been a fan of the characters. I even collect some of the released Happy Meal toys. Well, anyway, on this video I drew both Finn and Jake in 3D-ish style. I'm not exactly sure how or what this is called, but I drew them at a certain angle, as if the shot is taken from the top, and also later on I'll be trimming half an inch of the edges of the paper so that it would have that 3D illusion wherein they would look like as if they're popping out of the paper. The drawing materials I used, by the way, are Crayola washable markers, Faber-Castell watercolor pencils, Sakura Pigmamicron pen, and Prismacolor pencils. I'll leave you with the rest of the time-lapse again, so hope you enjoy. Here is the final drawing. I will be posting this on my Instagram account, so feel free to follow me at Tlanierski so that you will be updated for my art challenges. Thanks and see you next episode.